Hello folks, this is Tom Brown with Fix It Now. I have an interesting project for you today. I was working with one of my neighbors, an older lady. She had a Torchiere lamp with a 300 watt halogen bulb in the top. It generated an awful lot of heat, and there's a thermal switch in the top of this unit that was faulty, and it would often pop off, and the lamp would not light until it was off for quite some time. I could not find a replacement for that, so we decided together that we would convert this halogen lamp to an LED lamp, which would run much cooler. And here in Texas, that's very important because our AC systems are about to run very heavy this time of year. There was two things I had to do in this conversion. The first thing is I had to replace this switch potentiometer here, and I just used the switch function instead of the variable voltage potentiometer in here. That was a fairly easy change to the circuit board to do that. The other thing is I had to convert the halogen socket at the top of this lamp into an LED socket, a regular light bulb socket. And then I also had to make a lampshade because the halogen bulb is very flat in here, but the LED bulb stuck up about 3 inches above this. And I made this lampshade with photo paper and some gold tape at the edges. I have 4 pieces of photo paper there, kind of taped together, and it looks pretty decent. All in all, fairly simple project, no drilling required. A little bit of soldering that I had to do in the to fix up the switch. Fairly easy operational if you're skilled at this. I put a 60 watt LED bulb in here, runs very cool, puts out about 800 lumens. Not nearly as much light as the 300 watt halogen bulb, but if she wanted to, she could put a higher power LED bulb in here, say an 85 watt device, which maybe runs about $15, and it would give off considerably more lumens. Anyway, it's much more efficient than halogen and much safer. The halogen bulbs are very likely to cause fires or burn somebody. They run so hot they're not even allowed in many college dormitories these days. Anyway, have a listen to the video and give me a like if you like it. Thank you. This is a picture of the Torchiere lamp just after I replaced the halogen lamp with a A19 socket for a regular standard bulb. In this case, I'm using an LED bulb. But you can see one of the problems I faced with this conversion is that the LED bulb sticks quite a bit above the lamp there, about 3 inches above that. So I had to make a little lamp shade to go with this. This project converted a 300 watt halogen Torchiere lamp to an A19 standard light socket for an LED bulb. It is also possible to just replace the T3 halogen bulb with a T3 LED bulb, but these are not readily available in the US. I put a 60 watt 800 lumen bulb, LED bulb in, which cost about $2.50. Higher lumen output LED bulbs exist to get 1,000 lumens at around $15. LEDs are much more efficient, putting out 100 lumens per input watt compared to halogen at 20 lumens per watt. Halogen for residential applications may soon be banned in the EU, and the US may soon follow. In this step, we need to remove the halogen cage and mounting bracket and thermal switch. In these steps, I convert the switch dimmer circuit board for the halogen lamp to just a simple switch. Do not attempt this if you don't understand electrical theory or don't have soldering skills. In these steps, I'm just removing all of the components except for the switch potentiometer. In this final step, I move the black wire from where the red arrow is showing to where the green arrow is showing and soldered it down. In these steps, I show how to make a very simple lampshade with photo paper and gold tape. This slide shows the details of creating a simple lampshade with 4 pieces of photo paper. An important geometry fact is needed. The circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter. It could be either cherry pie or strawberry rhubarb pie. Here is the final result of my halogen lamp conversion to an LED bulb, using a 60-watt bulb in this case. I spent a total of $6 on materials for the project. Please like my video if you enjoyed it.